Hi there. In this video, I'll show you what templates are, how they work with your pages and posts, and how to edit them. Templates are different from themes. Your theme controls your site's overall design, including elements such as fonts and colors. A template, on the other hand, provides a specific layout for pages or posts. It's important to note that you don't need to edit your templates. If you are happy with the layout provided by your theme, you can leave it unchanged. The most important thing to understand is the difference between editing a page or post and its template. When you edit a page, your changes only apply to that page. But when you edit a template, your changes can appear across all the pages using that template. One way to understand this relationship is to think of a template as a picture frame. The template is the frame, which includes the header, footer, and page layout. Your page or post is the picture inside the frame. It contains the unique words, images, and other content you have added. If you replace the picture, the frame does not change. In WordPress terms, editing the content of a page or post does not affect other pages or posts that use the same template. But if you change the frame, it changes how every picture inside that type of frame is displayed. In WordPress, editing a template changes the layout of every page or post that uses it. Some of the most common reasons to customize a template are to change the header, remove page titles, add a search bar or banner across multiple pages, or change the layout of your blog posts. Let's see these examples in action. First, if you open a page or post, in this case the About page, you can't edit your header or footer. This is only the place where you add content. To do that, you need to return to the dashboard and make your way to Appearance and click Editor. This opens the Site Editor, where you can open your homepage template and build your homepage. And this is where you can customize your header or footer that is shared across all your templates. Next, let's look at two pages on this website. First up, we have the Services page. We'll see the header, the page title, the content, and the footer. And now if we make our way to the Contact page, we'll see they have the same header, the page title is in the same spot, the content width is the same, and the footer is the same. That consistency comes from the template that has been assigned to both pages. To see which template a page is using, make your way to the page, open the sidebar settings top right, and next to Template, we'll see that this page has been assigned to the page's template. And if we open the Contact page and check the same setting, we can see that it uses the page's template too, because all new pages you create get assigned to this default template. If you want to customize the template, click Pages and then select Edit Template. Before making changes, open the List view top left. The List view shows the blocks that make up the template and helps you understand its structure. We'll see the header, the title block, which displays the title of whichever page is being viewed, the content block, which displays whatever content you've added to the individual page assigned to the page's template, and which should never be removed, otherwise the content from pages using the template will not appear. And then finally, the footer. Now let's make a small change to the template. The page title currently appears in the center. I want to remove it completely. I'll select the title block, click the three vertical dots, and select Delete. Next, I want to add a sales banner to my template so it appears on all my pages. I'll select the header, click the three vertical dots, select Add Before, and then add the banner. Now we can click Save. Now let's view the Services page. Its original content has not changed, but the title has been removed and the sales banner appears. And when we open the Contact page, we see the same changes. Once again, its individual content remains unchanged. We edited the frame, so every page using that frame was updated. That is one of the main benefits of templates. You can create a consistent layout and update multiple pages from one place. And when the sale is over, we can merely delete it from the template, and once saved, it will update accordingly. Let's look at one more quick example. I have a travel site, and when I open one of my blog posts, we'll see that the featured image appears at the top of each post. But I would prefer to remove it from all my blog posts. To do that, I'll make my way to Posts, open any post, in this case 3 days in Rome, open the sidebar settings top right, and then we'll see that our blog post has been assigned to the single post template. Once again, I'll click Edit Template, and here we will see the frame or the layout of all our posts. But I would like to remove the featured image from the layout, so I'll select the featured image block, click the 3 vertical dots, and select Delete. And then we can save our changes. And now when we view my blog posts, we'll see that the featured image does not appear at the top of each post anymore. All thanks to customizing the single post template. Did you know you can also access your templates from the Site Editor? So let's make our way to Appearance, click Editor, and then click Templates bottom left. The Pages template, Single Post template, and your Homepage template are only a few of the templates your theme may include. The All Archives template, for example, controls pages that display groups of posts, such as posts from a particular category or tag. Your theme may also include templates for search results, and the 404 template, the page visitors see when content cannot be found. If you make a mistake on a template, WordPress provides the option to reset the template to its original design. To do that, click the 3 vertical dots next to the name of the template, and then click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting a template removes all the customizations you have made to it, so review this option carefully before confirming it. I'm happy to proceed, and then we'll see that the template has been restored. Now that you understand the difference between pages, posts, and templates, you can customize your site with confidence.